Good morning and welcome to a new week in my life vlog. If you're new here, please subscribe. I make lifestyle, fashion, nail polish, and some DIY videos, so I would love to have you back on my channel. But this is a new week in my life. I'm currently getting ready for work, and it is the Tuesday after the long weekend, and it just like hurts me to get ready for work, but I surprisingly got up on time. And I am putting on makeup for the first time in like 4 days, because last time I wore makeup was Friday when I was going to work, and all weekend I have just like been makeup free, and it's felt so good. Like I feel like my skin, although I got like quite a bit of sun, so like my nose is kind of red, and like you can see this is not good, not good. This was like sitting outside for an hour reading a book and not realizing that the sun was like in its prime, so I got a little bit burnt, but I am like lathering myself up with lotion so that my skin can heal and I don't burn or anything. Yeah, it was a good weekend, just like hanging out by the pool at my parents' house with my family and not really doing too much. I did edit a new vlog, but other than that, I just kind of like relaxed, and that's what long weekends are all about. It's hard to talk and do my makeup at the same time, especially when, you know, I don't have all the time in the world because it's the morning. I'll catch up with you when I'm done. In this lighting, you can really see my sunburn, and I hope it heals fast, but I did some simple makeup after not wearing makeup for so many days, and just quickly curled my hair. I will show you my outfit before I head out the door. I went for simple and comfortable today just because it's the Tuesday after a long weekend and I am just tired and don't really feel like fussing too much. This top is super easy. Honestly, I don't really love the pattern on it. It doesn't like spark joy in my life, and I considered getting rid of it over and over, but the style of it is just so like easy and comfortable for work. So it's like a really nice material. I don't know what material this is, but it's just like so like loose and comfortable, but it also kind of like looks cute. It has like the scoop at the bottom. So this is from H&M, and then these pants are my favorite style from RW & Co, the modern stretch pants, and then these wedges are from Globo. All of these items are from last year, so I don't know if I can link it down below. And then my typical jewelry, and honestly this is my outfit, like super easy, super comfortable, but perfect for the office. It is much later. I fell asleep on the couch watching Bachelor fan take and all of the recaps. Just kind of hung out tonight, but I was a little bit disappointed when I got home from work, because on Friday before the long weekend I was supposed to have maintenance come and change something in my filter and whatever for my furnace, and when I came back home on Friday it didn't look like anyone had come, but I didn't really think too much about that. And then today I get home from work and like I could clearly tell that someone had come into my unit and like a bunch of my stuff was moved, and I was really upset. So anyways, I had to deal with that with management, and I guess it's like not a big deal that they were supposed to come on Friday, but they ended up coming today. But it was just like really unsettling walking in and realizing like someone had been here when I wasn't. I wasn't expecting anyone to come, so like I just had all my stuff out, versus on Friday I was like expecting someone to come, so I made sure like my laptop wasn't just like on the counter. So anyways, I was kind of annoyed about that when I got home from work today. They actually chipped my wall paint when they were fixing the furnace, and it was like very clear that someone was here because there was like fingerprints on the wall, and like I don't know, I was just really disappointed. So I have to deal with that, but I wanted to update you. It is the end of the night. I am really tired, and I will talk to you tomorrow. So, to be continued from the last clip. I look awful right now. My hair is like half wet because I was in the pool, but I just got home from a weekend in the sun at my parents' house, and I just love going there in the summer because they live really close to a bunch of our families, so when the sun is out everyone is over and I just love it. But it is Sunday night. I'm actually not feeling too well because I think I got too much sun this weekend. I look super tan, but yeah, you can see that I definitely got some sun and it's been building for the last 2 weeks. It's been super hot here. But anyways, so my dad gave me some plaster to fix the gouge in my wall because of the people that came to change my furnace. So ow, I hit my foot on the chair. But let me show you what they did and why I was so upset. So this is the wall that my TV is on, and this is the furnace that they came to change the filter. And so to change the filter, this piece it opens up and then you change the filter in there. So I don't understand why this wall got damaged, but they ripped the drywall completely off. Oh, there's even a nick in the wall here. Good thing I'm noticing now. So I'm going to, yeah, I don't get it. Like, did they take this off? Doesn't seem like this comes off, so I have no idea how they ripped the wall, but I'm gonna fix it. And then my dad is working downtown tomorrow, so he's actually gonna swing by and help me with another project that I have been wanting to do for a while. And I think I may have even mentioned it in a vlog. So I bought these legs on Amazon to go on the bottom of my bed, but I need assistance to do that because I have to lift the bed up. So I bought these like 5-inch chrome legs. There's 4 of them to go on the bottom of my bed, but it also requires some additional, like underneath the bed there's 2 supports in the middle of the bed, so those need to be made longer too. So we have to put like some sort of wood or poles or whatever underneath the bed to support, but these 4 legs should be sufficient. I hope that we don't have any problems tomorrow because they are very heavy. Like, I'm making this look light, but they're very heavy. So these are to go on each corner and just raise the bed up a few more inches because it is a very low, sleek bed, and I like it, but I just want it to be raised a little bit, and then that way I can put my light and slide it underneath the bed. Because when I'm not using my lights, my filming lights, I will fold them up and put them in my closet, but it's such a pain to take them out once I like fold them up completely. So I prefer if I can just like leave it built and then like slide it underneath my bed. And also it takes up a lot of unnecessary room in my closet that I would much rather have for other storage and just like better organization overall. So I'm hoping that this works out well. But what I do need to do tonight, so my dad's gonna come tomorrow evening and help me with the bed situation. But what I do have to do tonight is put plaster on the wall so that it dries. And then tomorrow he's gonna come and fix it. This is the paint. I actually had it here in my locker, so I went to go get it. This is the paint that is the dark gray color on my wall there. It is called Storm. So this is a Benjamin Moore paint. The color is Storm, and the color like code is AF700 if you are interested in the gray color that is on my wall. And then other than that, the other walls are all white, which I think the white color it's probably Benjamin Moore as well. I think so because I think it is because the other paint can that was downstairs was the same label. And that one, I don't know the color code, but the name of it was called Wedding Veil, and it's like a cool toned white. That's what I have going on. And I just finished making my lunch for tomorrow. All of a sudden I have like this weird energy. I look horrible. I need to go take a shower. And I also wanted to paint my nails, and I need to review a contract for tomorrow, and it's like 11 o'clock. I'm kind of crazy, but I feel like I just got my second win because I wasn't feeling too well, and I took some Advil, so I think I'm feeling better. But this lighting is making me look very burnt, but I don't think I'm burnt. I'm just like very sunned. I think I did a good job, if I can say so myself. happy. I'm gonna fall on my bed here. Oh, I'm so happy. I feel like I have a brand new bed. So we put the feet on my bed and I was really nervous that it wasn't gonna work out because my dad was relying on all of my measurements and just like the fact that I bought these random feet for my bed off of Amazon. But I love it. I love having my bed just slightly raised off of the ground. Now I can slide things underneath, so my filming light, I want to just slide it underneath, and that way I don't have to like collapse everything. It won't take up space in my closet. And this is like perfect. Like I can sit on the edge of my bed and like it's kind of like a step down in the morning instead of, you know, pulling myself off of my bed that's like on the floor every morning. It was such an uncomfortable feeling. So don't get me wrong, I like this bed, but I like the little enhancement that I did to it even more. But I think this bed is like almost out of stock at StructTube. It's from StructTube originally, and I think on their website it says like last chance or something. So if you like this bed, it's gray. It is the Denise bed from StructTube, and it's not very expensive. I think it was like $2.99 for a upholstered bed. And then the feet, I think, that I bought off of Amazon, I'll link them down below. They were maybe $45, $50 with shipping, I think, because they were, or maybe they were a Prime item. They were Prime. I love them. Let me show you the full effect. Look at these beauties. I was like kind of worried that they weren't going to be strong enough, but I love them. So we put 2 pieces of wood underneath the bed to make up for the gap, but I'm just so happy. Oh, and like it's still low enough that you can't actually see the wood when you are just like walking by. I'm so happy. This is like such a look that I originally wanted. I love this like very sleek look. So I still have these cool lights behind my bed. I put them back and I had to turn them on to get them untangled. I feel like I have a real bed that's like off the ground now. And then in this room, the wall is fixed. We touched up the paint. And all of this took less than an hour. So my dad was very nice that he came after work and helped me with my DIY project and fixing my wall. And now I'm so happy to finish vacuuming up all of the dust off of the floor from our DIY project and then putting the blankets back on my bed. But I'm very happy. Hello, I just got home from work and I'm just quickly kind of touching up my hair and makeup. And then I'm going to meet my friend Natalie for a drink and some appetizers. It's Thursday, it is beautiful weather outside, and we're going to sit on the patio. And it's going to be a great evening. I haven't seen her in a little while and I miss her. It's incredible what good weather can do to your mood. It's crazy. Oh my god, what did I just do to my hair? I got this new hairspray and it smells amazing. It is, what is the brand of this? Organic. It's called Extra Strength Honey Hold and it smells like honey. That's why I love it. It works well too. Like even though it says extra strength, I find it's good at not making your hair like too crunchy, but just piecey enough. And I really like curling my hair with my new layers. So I'm gonna put on some lipstick and head out the door. I am editing this vlog right now and realized I've made some updates to my condo with some furniture and it would make sense to show you in this vlog. So I want to give you a little bit of a tour because I haven't updated you and I've gotten some new pieces. In my living room here, I found the perfect piece for underneath my TV, and that is this unit here. I found it at HomeSense and it's actually such a funny story. It was such a mission to get it. Someone else was trying to buy it while I was, and it was kind of like a race to the cash, whoever could buy it first. And lucky for me, I got it. So it is like a grade wash wood, kind of looks a little bit like antique-y. To be honest, I don't love the handles. They are kind of like more farmhouse vibe and I wanted a more modern look. But I know that handles can easily be replaced. I did order some matte black handles that were like squared rectangle ones from Amazon, but I had to send them back because they weren't the right size. They were mislabeled. But I really like this piece because it fit really well underneath my TV with the space, and it offers a ton of storage, which I haven't really filled out yet, as you can see. But in a small condo, it's really key to have lots of storage. So I really like this piece, although I'm having a hard time kind of styling it or decorating it. I need to get a casing for this wire. Unfortunately, this is a concrete wall, so I wasn't able to feed the wire of my TV through it. So you're always gonna see it, but I can get one of those casings that hides it. And then, I don't know, I need to style this better. I have this book that I actually had on my coffee table, and I just put it here to see what it would look like. My friends bought me this book for my birthday, and it's amazing. In the Company of Women, and it has like amazing, incredible stories, and just like the images in it are beautiful, and I love it. I usually keep it on my coffee table and flip through it. It is wonderful. I recommend. I love it. But I just wanted to see what it would look like there. But yeah, I don't really know what to put there because I don't have any sort of like TV box cables or anything. So that's that. I gotta figure out. Leave me a comment below letting me know what you recommend that I do with this little space and how I can decorate it. Next, moving on, so that it's pretty sleek too. I really like this piece. I thought it was perfect, and I was on the hunt for like 6 months to find the perfect piece, and I think this is it. So now moving on to my bedroom, it was actually the same day I found a nightstand. Again, I had been on the hunt for a nightstand forever, and in the same day I found both pieces from HomeSense. So it is a glass nightstand with 3 drawers, and I love that this is how the drawers work. So fun. But yeah, it's just like a white glass, and it's really sleek. It's the perfect height because my bed is low to the ground, so I needed something that wasn't too tall. And trust me, that was hard to find, but I think it looks really good with the space. It's like modern looking. I was using that stool before, so I just put it on the other side for now. I didn't want anything too loud. I think it's really sleek. And the space is coming along. I wanted to put a big circle mirror here because it would pick up the circle from, like the circle concept from the light fixture. But then again, I don't really want to cover the wallpaper, so I don't know what to do. Leave me recommendations below. And then I've gotten comments before to paint this frame, and that's definitely my intention. I just haven't gotten around to doing it. And I know that the mirror is kind of like heavy on this wall, but I love having a mirror right next to my closet so that I can easily check out my outfit as I'm getting ready in the morning. Probably in the future I would get mirrored doors, but I'm not sure if that's something that I really want to change because I could just put a mirror here. So I don't know. That is the update in terms of furniture and decor and stuff. I have been living here for almost a full year, which is crazy to say. Almost, not quite yet. And I finally feel like I'm done furnishing. And now it's just like the little things that will put the finishing touches on this place. Definitely with furniture, because they are more expensive items and bigger ticket items, I wanted to take my time in order to find things that I really loved, and I wasn't really in a rush, so I didn't have a unit underneath my TV forever, and I kind of liked having the open space, but now it definitely looks more complete. I just need to kind of style the space. Yeah, I wasn't in a rush, and now I found something that I really, really love, so just take your time and be patient. Especially with owning my condo, I wanted to get pieces that I love because I know I'll be here for a while. And it's not like I'm going to move every year and then you only have pieces that fit your current place. So yeah, I'm really happy with the things that I got and making little improvements along the way. With that being said, I hope you all enjoy this video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I'd love to have you back on my channel more often. But besides that, I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!